Hello and welcome back to our channel. A balanced diet and choosing between meal preparation can sometimes be confusing and tiring. We all know very well that a balanced diet is a good combination of carbs, proteins, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and lot more in a complete proportion that is required for an individual. So, in this video, here is an idea for making a healthy meal plan which can be served during any time of the day. And I have simplified the recipe in just 3 steps. So, let's get started. Firstly, in step 1, we begin with the preparation for the main starch component of the meal. Here, today I have taken the sweet potatoes. This can be replaced with the regular potatoes or any starch item of your choice. When sweet potatoes are in season, I always prefer to add them to the diet as they are amazing sources of vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, and energy yielding carbs as a whole. I always like to peel and remove the outer skin of sweet potatoes before cooking. When all of them are peeled and ready, let's begin with the cooking. I'm going to set them on a steamer and steam cook them till they are cooked through. It may take about 5 to 10 minutes based on the variety of sweet potatoes. In between, check with a fork or a skewer to confirm the cooking done. Once the cooking is complete, set them aside. And make arrangements for the serving. But now, since we have to make 2 more items for the meal platter, let's set the sweet potatoes aside and proceed. Next, I'm going to make a simple mixed vegetable salad that can be served with a meal. Now, into a bowl, take some beetroot and add some carrots. I'm adding a small portion of bell pepper. Also, I would like to add some freshly chopped onions. Now, let's season it with some salt and pepper for taste. Finally, drizzle some fresh lime juice. You can include as many and your favorite vegetables of your choice. And then give a quick good mix and combine them. And so here is a quick and easy to make vegetable salad ready to serve. For the time being, let's keep it aside and proceed to our next step of making the main protein component of the meal. Today for the protein aspect, I am taking freshly cleaned and deveined shrimps. Seafood is always a healthy option and easy to prepare. Let's marinate the shrimps with some ground pepper and salt. Next, squeeze in some fresh lime. Now combine them well, and if you have time at hand, keep to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. And then let's proceed. Heat a pan at medium to low. Add some olive oil. As the oil gets heated, we're going to add finely chopped garlic and saute them for 1 minute. Then I'm also adding the white portion of spring onions. You can also use the finely chopped onion instead. When the garlic begins to turn brown, it's time to add the marinated shrimps. Cook the shrimps on one side for 2 to 3 minutes. Making this meal combo is very easy and it can be done all together. Now it's for the video. I have done it in 3 steps for your better understanding. Shrimps may take about 5 to 6 minutes for complete cooking. And overcooking of the shrimps can make them dry and lose the texture. When one side is done, flip to the other side and continue cooking the shrimps. Now here we have the shrimps cooked well. So let's garnish with some red chili flakes and some freshly chopped parsley. Just give a quick mix. And if you have, you can also add some spring onion greens. And here is a delicious garlic shrimps ready to serve. So finally it's time to set the plate. This meal combo can be served for kids as well as adults. Based on your individual requirements, you can portion the size of each item. And those of you on weight loss diet or intermittent fasting can make portion size according to your diet chart and help yourself. Make a balanced and a healthy meal and share with your family. I hope this video will be useful for you. For more such videos and ideas on meal preparations, do subscribe to our channel and stay connected with us. And if you like this video, do share it with your family and friends. Thank you for being with us. Hope to see you in our next video. Until then, stay healthy and happy.